I'm going to walk you through how to change this broken camera lens, and this is the replacement that I'm using. I already took it out, so it's just right here. And I'm going to also use lens wipes, and you want some sort of tool that is thin enough to go under. So I'm just going to kind of place this, if you can see here, just kind of under here, and I'm just going to kind of try to get under there, and it pops right up just like that. So I'm going to toss that away, and then what I like to do is take a lens wipe and clean this before we put a new camera lens protector on top. Okay, so we're just going to clean it really good. Okay, and here's this. So you just take this out, and you're going to line this up. So let's see, we're going to take it just like so. This part is the easy part. You're just going to place this right over it, and just make sure it's lined up. And you also can see there's a hole here, and then there's like a little hole here on your phone, so you can see exactly how to line it up. So let's see, push, and it pushes right down. So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna just re-wipe it just because I was touching it, and then we're done. That's it. Besides putting the case back on. Okay, and then I need to get a new case, but this is the case that I have. So we're just gonna place this back in here. Okay, and there you go. It's all fixed. So it's that easy. And again, I just use this as a camera lens and just a little tool that has some sort of flat piece, and you just carefully pop it and it comes right up. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.